Hello students. Today I will be taking a demo class of AutoCAD Mechanical. As you know, AutoCAD is widely used in the industries, whether you are from civil background or mechanical, whether you are an architect, interior designer, or from civil, mechanical, or other related branches. Even some electrical engineers also use AutoCAD. So it is widely used in the industries in India as well as in abroad. So it is compulsory to learn. Yeah, if whether you are from civil, mechanical, architect, interior designer, every industry almost it is used. Not only in India only, but all in abroad also. So we have all courses like other courses also we have like suppose from you are from mechanical background, so we have SolidWorks, CATIA also, and if you are from civil, we have Stat Pro, Revit Architecture also. So all at a very less price as compared to the market. The price is very low. You can find my Android application link in the channel description. You can go and enroll from there. We have website also. You can enroll from there also. Yeah, so the price is very less. Yeah, we are charging it for the live classes. We conduct live classes, out classes. Everything will be there. So that is why we charge so little. It is very less as compared to the market. So suggest so how to purchase it, how to enroll for the course. You just download my Android application. The Android application is link is there in the channel description. You download my Android application and then you can purchase the course, whichever course you want. After buying the course, you just inform me. Then your class will get scheduled. You can purchase from our website also. You can go from there also. There you can contact me. My contact number is also there in the YouTube channel. Any doubts, you can contact me. Yeah. So as I told you, AutoCAD is widely used in the industries. So what is CAD? CAD. CAD is computer aided designing and drafting. The designing and drawing, which is done with the help of computers. That is what CAD is. It was it was released in the year 1982 by a company named Autodesk, and now every year it releases new version of AutoCAD is being created. So it is widely. So whatever drawing we do with the help of computers, that computer aided, with the help aided means with the help of the designing and drawing, the drafting works which we do with the help of computers. That is what AutoCAD is. So why we use AutoCAD? Because it is easy to draw, it is portable, error is less. We can't use nowadays pen paper to draw the drawing, so it will be time taking, and so that is why we use computers. Yeah. So see, when you so and one more thing, and if you have software like AutoCAD installed, yeah, so it's well and good. If you don't have, yeah, I will be guiding you in the first class how to install the software. From there, you can install, and yes, yeah. So we will be guiding you. So you need not worry that if you don't have software, how will you do class? So in the first class, after purchasing the course in the first class, you will be guidance will be given uh, how to install the software and other things. So yeah. So when we open, so coming back, all the softwares, whether you are like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA or SAT, so all the software guidance will be given in the first class. Then only we will continue from the next class. So first class you will get the software with lifetime validity. It's free of cost, so we will guide you. So yeah. So see, when you open AutoCAD, this type of screen comes. See in the recent tab, whatever drawings you have drawn, it shows in the recent folder. So if you just one left click from your mouse on that, it will open. The drawing will open. Or we have from here also you can open the drawing. Just one left click you need to do with your mouse, and yeah, it will open. Or click on new and open from C. From here also, same new open button is there. Or from here, see if you left click once from here, see here also recent drawings, it will show whatever you have drawn. You can click new, one left click from your mouse on new, the new drawing will open. Or you can left click on your mouse from here also, the new drawing will open. So see, just one left click you need to do. But so I click just one left click I do on new. See, a new drawing open. The name of this drawing is drawing one. See, so this drawing got opened. So this way, see, line, polyline, circle. See, these are the things. See, these are the commands. All the commands will be taught to you. See, these are the commands. Every command will be taught to you. See, this is here it is written type a command. That is command bar. So here it is. Here you can see X, Y axis. See, left side, bottom, down. See my mouse cursor. That is the X, Y axis. So this is a 2D workspace. 2D workspace or model space. It is by X, Y. X is the horizontal axis. Y is the vertical axis. And see here. See, in AutoCAD, your mouse cursor comes like a cross, a plus symbol. So that is known as crosshairs. See, you can see crosshairs. See, you can change the size of it also. Like suppose OP. OP is the shortcut of options. Now press space or enter anything from the keyboard. You need to press. See options. It is the options. It comes and see now. Here you can see the crosshair size is given. You can change it. See, apply. See, the size got changed. This is known as crosshairs. From here also you can go click on left click one of the here options are there. Yes, you can say just one left click from your mouse, the options will come. Here you can change again. File, apply, okay. Or type like in AutoCAD, every command has a shortcut. See, OP bracket, that is the shortcut of options. So you need not type all the commands, everything. So you need not type the full command, just type the shortcut and then press space or enter from your keyboard or left click once on this. See, the command will get activated. Either press space or enter from your keyboard or just once left click once on that command, the command will activate it. See, here in the display tab, you have colors tab. So you see just one left click on the mouse on the colors tab. See, here it will come. This is uniform background. See, the background is black color. You can change it also. Just one left click and see the bullet do green. See, apply and close. See, the background got changed. See, you can change the background color also. In options command, see colors, go to colors. See, click on restore. See, it got restored. See, apply, okay. Or you can go from here also options. See, options are there. Options go display. Left click once from your mouse on colors. The colors will open. Now here crosshair है. You can change the color of crosshairs also. Suppose I red, I do apply in close up. See, the color of the crosshair got changed. So that also you can change if you want to restore it. Type OP, then press space or enter from your keyboard. A left click once from your mouse options. This is it. Now in the display tab, we are in the display tab. See now click on colors. One left click once from your mouse and crosshair will get a click on restore current, apply and close. Apply, okay. So this way, or see these commands are their line commands. So the shortcut of line command is L. See, you need to type full command LIN. You just type L, then press space or enter. The command will get activated. Or you can just left click once from your mouse on this also. This command will get activated. Just left, yeah. So you can click on a line command that will get activated or type the shortcut. Yeah, so both ways you can activate a command in AutoCAD. See all these commands. See these all these commands are shortcut also. Or directly you can just left click from your mouse on this. This command will get the command will get activated or type the shortcut key of that command. So we will study in detail. So share with your friends also, and you can purchase the course. Yeah, it is very the it is the this offer is for a limited time. So hurry up, buy your courses. In evening also, you will get the classes, so don't worry. Share with your friends also. Tell them also to purchase the course. Yeah, and you will definitely, certificate will also be provided. We are ISO certified. So 1 month certificate will also be provided after the course. So you need not worry. You can use it for jobs and other things. So you will definitely help. So yeah, so share with all these. So we will cover all these things in detail. See, these lines you can see horizontal and vertical line, that is known as the grid lines. See the short, you can turn it off on. See these grid lines got off on, so this way you can this way you can turn it on off. So these, so we will study on in the course this course in more in detail. These things in detail we will study. So just download my Android application and purchase the courses and share with your friends also. So thank you. After purchasing the course, just call me or WhatsApp me Yes, then your classes will get scheduled. Okay. So thank you. Thank you. So share with your friends also and go for at least two, three courses together. Suppose you're from mechanical, then learn AutoCAD, solid, then only your concepts will get clear. SolidWorks for CAD also. And if you are from civil, learn AutoCAD, StatPro, Revit, at least two, three software, then only your concept will get improved. So just by learning one software, you won't get all the concepts. So yeah, so thank you. Thank you, John.